Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Capricorn, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your career situation, guys, and this is for your relationship, Capricorn. So we will start with the general energies, guys. Capricorn, we have Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Queen of Pentacles, and Temperance in reverse. So Capricorn, in your situation, guys, maybe you had faith or trust on certain things to go in a particular way. It may be a person or it may be a situation. But what is happening today is something different, something beyond your expectation. So that may give you a lot of worry or stress today, guys. So this situation may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, guys. And Capricorn, you are someone who is very caring and someone who takes care of people, who has that generosity, compassion, and who helps others, who support others. And today there is someone in need of your help, or you are in need of someone's help. So you are requesting someone to help you or guide you in certain things. It may be regarding some important decision in your career or in your relationship, or for some of you it may be something related to some belief or some spiritual path that you are taking up. So you have you have come to know of something new, maybe a spiritual practice or some kind of belief, and you want to follow that. Maybe you are taking people's suggestions for that, maybe your friends or your family, whoever it is. You are trying to find out about that, guys. And also, whatever your situation is, guys, Capricorn, you are trying to balance, find out that balance and work towards harmony in your situation, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. So it is Ace of Wands in reverse. So with this card in your relationship, guys, you have love, you have understanding with this person, beautiful understanding, but you are making lot of efforts for to be in this connection. Maybe you are sacrificing a lot or they are sacrificing a lot to be in this connection, and you feel that it is enough for you, you have done enough. And maybe for some of you, you are having a child together or you are planning to have a child together, guys. So all that you have done, all those trials or sacrifice you have faced for this love, you feel that you have you have reached some kind of a saturation point and you don't know what needs to be done. There is some kind of dullness today in this connection, but something is reviving this love. Maybe a child coming in today in this connection. That is what is helping you both, joining you both together, guys, in this love, Capricorn. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Three of Cups in reverse. So, with this card in your career situation, guys, whatever troubles you faced in your career, all that is going to come to an end, guys. And you are simply going to be happy. All those disappointments are simply going to vanish for you, Capricorn. So that is the reading, guys, for you all today. If you are interested, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card, guys. So let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. Let's see what it is. What comes of picking flowers? Greed. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe this is the time you are getting transformed. Maybe there are some changes happening in this relationship. So whatever is not working for you, maybe in your connection, in your relationship, you are changing or that person is changing and you are seeing a great transformation. Maybe you would have felt that you are unable to overcome that particular situation, find the right solution. But no matter what your challenges are, there are solutions, guys, and you are simply going to reach those solutions for your problems, and things are going to go in a very positive way. And you are, maybe for some of you, because of this connection, you would have isolated yourself from the people you love, your friends and family members. Maybe it is time you get back to them, guys. So you are healing from this connection. Maybe you are making things right. So whatever is not working, you are making those things right, or you are finding the right decision today, guys, for your circumstance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the first card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card for you all. So this is the second card, and this is a crystal spirit, guys. So with this crystal, it just means that in our connection, sometimes we are so much stressed or worried, and we jump to so many conclusions because of those worries, or constantly because we constantly think about our circumstance. But today we need to let go of these worries we have in our heart, guys, and be simple. Go for that simplicity. Slow down, listen to that other person, whatever they are they want to communicate to you, and simply say sorry or yes or I see as a reply. Simply be present. Simply focus your attention on that other person. So when you listen to that person, the words they speak or the messages they send or their body language, you are going to feel calmer, and you will be ready to face whatever challenges you have, guys, with this simplicity, with simple actions. So today you need to go for simple actions instead of reacting too much. You need to see what that other person is trying to communicate to you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second card, That is the reading. So let's see what is the third card for those who have chosen this card. Fork in the road. So this means that you are in the verge of making some important decision, but you don't know which way to go, what you will choose today. And maybe in this love, maybe in this relationship, whether you want to remain isolated or you want to go deeper and commit to that other person. So this is the time for you to take that responsibility for your desires. Maybe if you love this person, and if it is true love that is the basis of this decision, you can go forward towards marriage or engagement, or be committed to this person deeply, guys. But if your intentions are something else, you need to think and decide whether you want to move away from this person. So you have to make authentic decisions, guys. That is the energy with this card. So when you make authentic decisions for yourself, your life path is going to give you a very true experience, and that will please your heart, give you happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.